Here comes your pre-market summary for Wednesday, July 12th. Futures trying to hold on to positive territory here ahead of the big economic release coming up at 8:30 this morning. We'll get June CPI. That is going to be the final major inflation print before the next Fed meeting coming up in a couple of weeks. Here's what we're expecting: 3.1% on the main headline number, on the year-over-year number anyway. Month over month, they're looking for a 0.3% uptick. Core, as we were speaking with Frank Cabernet yesterday, core, where the problem has been and continues to be, still looking for 5%. That's still down, though, from 5.3% last month. So 3.1 on the headline, 5 expected there on the core number. Overall, though, the market looking pretty good here. Back to the upside. We're actually at session highs here in the pre-market so far after a nice recovery yesterday after that initial selling. Took us all the way back to basically Friday lows came into play once again. We did hold higher, though. Here we are holding higher once again for the overall market. A few things of note this morning. Individual names moving around. NVIDIA, one of those. Nice look to the upside here this morning. The Financial Times reporting that they could be an anchor investor in the ARM IPO set to come out possibly as soon as September of this year, which would be huge. 35 plus billion on the valuation they're talking for this ARM IPO. Bank of America, meanwhile, upgrading DraftKings, DKNG, back to the upside on that note. You can see a nice pop here in the pre-market for B of A. Netflix with a nice note from UBS saying there's still more to come as far as the ad-supported tier for Netflix, going all the way to $5.25 on the price target there for NFLX. Tesla, nice note from Citigroup this morning suggesting that this hype around the Cybertruck and constant updates from Elon, it seems on a daily basis, regarding the Cybertruck, pushing this back to the upside. 2025 EPS estimates to the upside as well, based off of Cybertruck sales. Uber getting a bump this morning on this note. They're teaming up with Domino's. This is a global agreement. Domino's going to use Uber for pizza delivery going forward. There's also a positive note on Uber from Evercore this morning. A couple of deals for Palantir came out. Interesting look, though. It did gap to the upside. We faded that already. Teaming up with this Air Matrix, Toronto-based Air Matrix, and also another Carasoft partnership, or expanding their prior agreement with Carasoft. Netflix, we mentioned that move to the upside this morning on that positive note. Little one moving around, 1.4 million on the float on this one. AULT. Grab the watch list, guys. Use that QR code, bottom right corner right now. We're coming up at 8:30, remember. Big CPI print. We'll bring that to you live as it happens. We'll see you then on TraderTV.Live.